Drydocks Dubai has three main services. One is repair and maintenance. This repair and maintenance of any type of vessels or any type of trades. Basically, we call it A to Z shop. The second one is conversion. We are focusing on conversion of oil and gas and renewable energy. And the third one is the new builds. The new builds are specialized vessels or specialized projects like the conversion boxes, which we call it, from windmill renewable energy into high voltage energy. From the start, some 4 years ago, DP World, a global company, has purchased or took over Drydocks. We look into the past, but we also present a document called Master Plan for the next 30 years to understand how is industry going to evolve, to understand who are the major players, to understand new technologies, to understand the human capital impact, to understand the innovation technology. And with this plan, we prepared strategic pillars of our development. And those strategic pillars are our drive going forward in all respects. Thank you. Leadership is all about understanding people. It's all about being in front, on the front line in all time. Recently and still ongoing is COVID issue. So I'm very pleased to say that our company has been open 24/7 throughout the COVID, and this requires very skilled, proper leadership to be able to sustain this ongoing basis. Leadership is about understanding people. Leadership is understanding and communicating well. Leadership is about walking the talk. Leadership is about looking into the strategic views. Leadership is about good planning. Leadership is about looking for solutions in the worst problems, but even better, looking for opportunities. Thank you. I believe that COVID taught us, not just in the shipping industry, but globally, that future is unpredicted. I also do believe that COVID gives us a lesson and shows us how well prepared we are for this emergency, how we adapt to the changes, and many lessons from this. An example that we actually can even work from home, the people who are not in the front line. How we support each other in this crisis, how we put together priorities, how we learn the lessons from this, because lessons are fast forgotten. Now we are not still outside the COVID, but I think we're becoming we take this too easy. At Drydocks, we have a plan. If this repeats, we had an enormous education and took all the lessons through the COVID in our future emergency or sustainability plan. And I'm very proud to say that we have fantastic teams, especially our medical team, including our front runners who did work on a daily basis and survived this terrible pandemic. Five pillars of our strategic pillars, and the first one is how we can expand internally, making our facility, which is the same area, more efficient, more environment friendly, adapt our people to new technologies, train them to be multi-skilled, introduce IT technologies, robotics, and offer to shipping communities all spectrum of services. Not just water ballast treatment tank, not just scrubbers open and close, but also looking into the conversion of engines, not only LNG but also ammonia and hydro going forward. So looking forward. But at the same time, we are also expanding globally. We are soon to open in our new business with our joint venture partner in Montenegro. The old shipyard. This shipyard will be a leading shipyard for repair maintenance of mega yachts and cruise liners and outfit of them. We are looking into entering EPC, engineering, procurement and construction, in a very slow manner with a partnership and then expanding globally. We are investing and implementing new IT systems, which is important to become on the next architectural level and to have a superior database to plan better, to make better decisions, to control day-to-day activities, and also to be in touch with our clients. We are also looking for moving people who are not essential in the facility to an offshore. Just last week we opened in Mumbai offshore office, which will be a platform not just for cost efficiency, but to retain the talents and to also build us going forward in EPC. But the most important are two factors: the environmental, how to sustain our objectives together with DP World is to become by 2050 zero CO2 emission, and also investing into clean oceans, and also investing in our people to retain them, to on-pass the knowledge of the old generation to new generation, and to make sure that we keep the best talents. Thank you.